Everyone, today I want to speak about Unity engine for create client side of the game because the servers and our servers can help you administrate your world, can help you create online in your game, but client side you need to create in your program like Unity, Unreal Engine, Godot, Phaser 2D and so on. I choose the Unity because it's very easy for me. I'm a good developer for backend, but not so good developer for client side. This Unity have some scripts. Yes, all of these scripts will be free for you. I will give you this example. Well, what it look like? You have some script what you can manipulate with data what coming from servers. Some name it connect controller, camera control, it's only for camera, main control, it look like the basic control with some constant and some help function, and player controls and the script about which button you put and which command you need to send to the servers. And basically you have many structs. Structs it's look like the class, but this class have only information what packets coming, look like packet receive. Usually include players packet, enemies packets, its array, objects and some additional packets. And response now have not so many response. I have move response about which position I want to go, and mind response, and usually need to basically field action and command ID. Yes, this is support methods about how to manipulate action, because action have two worlds. Name of the class, name of the method, what you will execute on the servers, but it's not correctly method, it's events. Events I speak about it next video. Well, as I say, it will be all free for you. Just a look, we have a stance at Unity, only two stands, mine and register. About register, you know, it's only two field, login and password, and entrance and register button. Not register on admin panel, only register on the game. But look at C, if you choose mine stand, we don't see nothing. No one maps, no one entity, nothing. Yes, because all data coming from outside. Do you remember from last video I show you my map administrate panel? I find the game, name it Mana Portal, and I see it look like the very funny open source maps. It's styled maps. Yes, we can use program name it tile map editor. Yes, we can administrate it, those cards. Yes, it's open source program too. You can find link on the internet, mapeditor.com as I remember. But at the future, I will create some technology at here. At here, we will change your map like a program tile map editor can. Yes, now it's only layers and now a little information and your tile sets. Yes, and how it work when we launch the game, we have console, we can see which packets coming. Now we see this is prepare. Yes, now console is empty. After we click button enter, we put some information to the server, and server say to us some fields like ID, port, token, and map. It's a encode map, and these sorcerers of the game can help you decode this map to the tile map what already in the scene. Yes, this is the layers. Well, look like all work, and our world now with some entities what coming from the servers. Yes, did you see the goblin? The goblin coming from admin panel, just I will show you, from this. these three goblins on map number 1. This is position, this is prefab. Prefabs means what type of graphics and animated you will use in your game. Maybe after a few times we can prepare the graphics and our admin panel too, but now we can only use the map. All graphics of goblins and animated and of the players now staying in Unity, because if we will stay now in admin panel, it can be very big packet what always need to come to Unity. As you see, I put some button and some packet. Just a second, I will clean console, and I send some comments comment to from the servers. Yes, it means what's animals moving and servers return new position to us. And if you listen this console, we can find our commands too. Yeah. We have pathfind. I can click to some place and server find pathfind by itself. Not pathfind in the client side. No. Because servers need to know where is who, how he can walk in, yes, and look like a goblin coming to us. He finds the patch to us and attacks, yes. Now we have only one life. Goblin can kill us, yes. And what will be happen? If you look in my last video, you can see about the components. Yes, I am resurrects. What is the components is special rubrics where we can put some parameters to our games. Many parameters we can add, and any names it can be, but it need be unique. HP max, yes, and if you remember, I say about we can put some Lua code. This is code say if my life will be zero, we can put the resurrect events on the characters. Object is the characters now, and as you see, our characters is resurrect. Well, it's the trigger. When the HP, these parameters change, this triggers is activated. And this is activated too when we log in and the game, yes? We can put any parameters and any entities. I will translate admin panel, but now it say what HP is for players, animals and object, but no, object no. Only these three. Yeah, it's work. And about HP max too, because in my client side my object don't have a life. But MP mana point, it's only for players and the enemies, not for animals and not for objects. Default value, what will be have all what still don't have those parameters. And every time we have some another events I will speak about in next video. Well, Streltsov Mikhail was with you. See you next video.